To begin our presentation today, I'd like to share a visual overview of how the unified Hyland platform will support our future state CalSAWS imaging solution. Our story begins with a customer submitting eligibility documents to a worker. As you can see here under the far left capture box, this can happen a number of ways: through an online portal submission, mobile submission, in-person delivery, mail-in, or any number of other external systems. Following this capture flow, the documents are then automatically classified using a combination of barcode recognition and Hyland's brainware software. Hyland's brainware software, at its core, is a highly advanced OCR engine allowing template-free processing. It also has intelligent extraction capabilities that CalSAWS can enable in future enhancements to the CalSAWS imaging solution. For context, approximately 350,000 documents are received across all counties for processing each day, or 7 million monthly. The future state Hyland platform is ready and optimized for this high volume. The solution will have the capacity to process up to 90,000 pages in less than an hour. That equates to about 1,500 pages per minute. By design, the imaging solution will have multiple capture modes to support the various business processes. Throughout our example today, we'll be processing 9 different documents. You can see those sample documents popping up here on the screen. Now we will open up the Hyland Capture and Indexing application. The Capture and Indexing application will be the future state web interface for initiating all scan jobs. You can now see the scanned documents over here on the left side. The worker can now do a quality check on the images based on their county QA process. Any CalSAWS-generated forms will have case content and information such as document type and form information gathered from the barcode. In addition, any tracked barcoded document from the customer are automatically marked as received in the CalSAWS application following this step. We always joke that a brainware demo isn't the most exciting thing. This is because the classification and extraction occurs behind the scenes, without the user seeing anything. So we've created a short animation to show you how this technology will work, along with possible future enhancements. The first part of the animation illustrates functionality and processing that is included in the CalSAWS imaging solution. The second part is an example of a potential future CalSAWS enhancement using brainware's powerful extraction capabilities. Hyland's brainware technology automates many of the manual steps that bog down the process, like entering tedious document information by classifying, processing, and transforming paper-based and digital documents into useful, actionable information. Here's how it works. Customer eligibility documents are digitally captured through the Capture and Indexing app on the Hyland platform. Once in the system, the solution analyzes each document and reads the information much like a human brain. It does so through patented brainware intelligent classification technology. A series of predefined rules and pattern-based recognition algorithms allow the solution to self-learn, so it can automatically identify and assign unindexed documents to document types, without the need for document templates or forms. And it does so 8 times faster than a human. If for any reason the solution is unable to classify a document, or if it recognizes multiple classifications, it routes the exceptions for manual review within Perceptive Content. Caseworkers review exceptions and verify or correct the information before final archival and task generation in CalSAWS. Brainware is also an advanced intelligent data extraction product for scanned and electronic documents. It can intelligently lift targeted fields and line item detail based on a document's context, validate it, and seamlessly pass it to core business applications, in this case, to CalSAWS. For example, take the county forms that we saw scanned in earlier. Each county form has a specific form number printed towards the bottom, which uniquely identifies the type of form. Brainware reads and identifies this form number from the document. Using the extracted form number, it performs a real-time lookup to validate it against the list of form numbers provided by CalSAWS. This ensures that what Brainware found was an actual valid form number. In addition to what's being done at CalSAWS, this same brainware extraction technology can be used to automate even more tasks. Did you know that more than 80% of business information is trapped inside unstructured, unmanaged documents? It's trapped because most organizations don't have the time or resources to manually keep all of the information from their invoices, transcripts, purchase orders, or in this case, benefits documents. Instead, they key what they can to process the documents, losing the remaining valuable insight that's still locked inside. Manual data entry has always been a bottleneck to this type of document process automation, until Brainware. Our proprietary technology uses advanced pattern recognition techniques that allow it to automatically capture the complex data that you're keying today. It only needs a small sample set of documents to process extraction for high volumes of widely diverse layouts without missing a beat, even when handling documents in different languages and currencies. You'll know extraction is working with real-time visibility into key performance indicators, metrics, and business analytics. Looking at the pay stub and other person-level documents that were classified in our earlier example, we can take this automation to the next level. In future phases, Brainware could make a call to CalSAWS using the extracted values, like Social Security number and date of birth, to retrieve all the information about the people that are identified as part of that case. Once we get the detailed person-level information back, like first and last name, Brainware's engine can validate and match the information against what was extracted. This additional validation further minimizes scenarios which require user intervention. With Brainware, you'll have greater control over the information lifecycle, promote compliance to standardized processes, and have actionable data from your documents that was never available before. All of this so you can spend less time on keying and routing documents and more time on value-added tasks. Believe me, that was a much more enjoyable way to see Brainware in action. All the Brainware automation occurred behind the scenes, performing the classification, extraction, and validation work. We hope you enjoyed the sneak peek of a potential CalSAWS future enhancement. To close out the demo, we will now view the documents that we previously captured and processed. Our workers within the CalSAWS application and performing their daily activities. From the context of the case, they can click the Images button to seamlessly review the images stored within the repository. This will launch the user into a cross-sectional view of the case or person, limited based on the user's assigned security in the CalSAWS application. You can see here we can open up any of these documents to further view the images themselves or any associated metadata stored within them. These also now have all of the typical imaging controls that you would expect to find within a content repository, such as annotations, workflow, or any other activities that may need to be performed within the imaging solution. Additionally, this viewer allows us to support over 550 file types natively, without having any additional software stored or installed on the workstations in question, allowing workers to focus on processing cases rather than worrying about what they're able to view or not. All of these activities can be audited, with a detailed full history and reporting available on the documents. That's it for the presentation today. I appreciate everyone's time. Thank you very much.